Hello everyone. Today I want to show how to install Anaconda in your laptop. So here's my laptop and I have searched for Anaconda download in Google or in any browser of your choice. Now let's go to the first link that appears, and now we have to download it. These are the features, some basic information. We can just click on this to download, and it has already started downloading. This is the part where you can fast forward because it's taking few seconds. Now click on it. We will proceed to next, agreeing to the terms and conditions. Just me is recommended, so I am choosing the same. Choosing the default destination, you can choose something else if you want. I'm going with all the recommended options or which is showing by default. You can fast forward this video if you want because it's taking time and I want to record this to show you guys how much time it takes in real time, so I'm not really pausing the recording. It's taking a little longer, so I am pausing right now. So finally it finished. Now the next button is enabled, so I click on it. I'll click on next again. And here are some helpful tips and resources to get you started. We recommend you bookmark these links. You can refer to them later. I don't need them, so I am finishing. Now let's look for Anaconda in my system. So this is how the Anaconda Navigator looks like, and our installation is successful. Thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet again very, very soon. Bye, guys.